Okay, welcome back. I think 12 minutes to go for the pre-open session. SGX is still indicating a lower start. Anuj is here in the studios with a quick check on things. Anuj, morning. What are you watching?
Morning, Prashant. Well, yesterday, the setup was overbought. I think today it's got oversold. The market rejected highs yesterday by just about 7 to 8 points. I think the market should bounce back today. I'm not going too much by the SGX Nifty. And even if SGX Nifty is right, I guess it takes market right into the buy zone. The Fin Nifty expiry today, the last three expiries have been quite good. The Bank Nifty is a problem for the market. It defended last week's low, but even then, it's been one index which has been creating problems at higher levels. But the broader market is strong. 6 day of highs for the mid caps. I think today's trade is to buy it open and add on dips. Of course, you have to keep a stop loss, which we'll discuss. The only reason the market could get a bit worrisome is the monsoon progress, which has been quite poor. Not a single day of shower in Konkan, the region we are part of, and June is almost over. Setup, as I said, is oversold. I mean, if you look at FIs and DIs, they both sold. FIs sold in index futures, they sold in stock futures. The India VIX has gone up. The PCR has fallen to 0.98 versus 1.29. All of this gives me confidence that perhaps today's dip could be bought. The first support is at the 10-day exponential moving average of 18,686, and the sacrosanct support is at the 20-day exponential moving average of 18,582. As of now, the texture remains buy on dips as long as 18,582 is holding. On the Bank Nifty, the table will tell you what's the problem. The last 3 days, the high has been between 44,000 to 44,100. The low has been somewhere around 43,500. So that's basically the range. You need to see if there's some stability. It's trading below all major moving averages. If you see the 1 month chart of Bank Nifty, it's really been consolidating. Not fallen a lot, but underperforming the Nifty. In the last 1 month, it's not gone anywhere. It's been in this range of 43,500 to 44,000. You need to play this range if you can. Otherwise, just avoid the Bank Nifty. Focus on Nifty and individual stocks.
In fact, that's so true. I mean, up until now, every year, I think by the 20th of the month, some amount of rainfall comes through. And this time, it's absolutely nothing.
Yes.
Except that cyclone, related rainfall, which was a shower.
Over the weekend, I had gone to, the area between Lonavala and Ambi Valley. It was raining there a little bit, but that's it.
But let's say, that the expectation is that now the cyclone's gone. It was sucking away all the moisture winds.
Exactly.
Now the next 3-4 days, SkyMed has told us there'll be a revival.
None of us is an expert in that, but the hope is the
experts saying that. That's what SkyMed was saying yesterday.
Absolutely. The hope is that at least now. I mean, look, the monsoon has started late, and obviously the June will be deficient, but it's not rocket science that if you start so late, June will be deficient. But July onwards, if at least you make up for that and the distribution is okay, I think you're still fine. I think it's the point from here on. By the way, this is a big news that the block has happened in block deal window, 2.18 crore. I think today you see a lot of short covering in HDFC AMC. That could well be the stock of the morning because yesterday there was a lot of shorting. It ended at 26 rupee discount. I think that could be your stock of the morning today.
Okay, thanks a lot for that, Anuj. Well,